की खूब और का बातें से टीवी।
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Umentri ke Sarkar Jala Bapol Lengdo Bolong Ru Nong Aitin Jong Sarkar. Haka Arab Sautarik Unaitung Arjar Arfusan. Ula pentip Katkum ke Jing Sorjamin. Balale dak Sarkar Jala Lasem Magidan Haduh Khasaus Pangut ki Nongdie Madan Habarok kawe ke Sor Shnong. Haka Jing akran Bakilat Petai Kubor. Ubapol la pentip Bahadin bela pendap ke Jing Sorjamin Banengkong Akhandailat. Lasem Magidan Sauspa Nyangut ki Nongdie Madan. Haka ba Laispa Khalwengut ki Lasimti yak Certificate of Bending. Hak balapan ken riaru yaki syakin laispa andrusan tali dukan thamai blasna parking lot Kamuda. Liatu Katkum kandon jok certificate of bending bla adak Shlong municipal board labtha baki Nongdie Madan kideban long ki Nongshong bapura ka Meghalaya tang hapo Snem kideban pensisa baki de giba imjak po nakakam di Madan lakumno kumno hendri banai swaban le jing sorjamin.
As you are aware, we have been very closely following up the matter relating to the relocation of hawkers and vendors at Kandailat stretch. And it has taken more time than we thought it would. But then all is well that ends well. And you would, for yourself, be happy to see a brand fresh look and a facelift given to Kandailat through this process of relocation of vendors. So briefly, I just want to share with you that the entire exercise has taken the state government over close to 2 years, where a comprehensive survey was conducted, and it included 1,400 street vendors who were part of this survey. And in the first phase, we prioritized Kandailat since it is the most important, the busiest commercial area of the state capital. And we also had in this exercise found that there were 407 who were deemed to be eligible to receive the COV, that is the certificate of vending. So to clear some misconceptions and doubts, under this COV, we laid down certain parameters. These include proof of residence of Meghalaya, whoever has stayed in the state for a continuous number of 3 years prior to the survey were considered, and 2, also proof that they have been engaged in vending activities in the same area for at least 6 months before the survey. 6 months before the survey, they should have been vending in that area. And that is the same yardstick that we will apply to other areas in the state where vending is currently happening. Now, out of these numbers of 407 vendors, we found 311 who have successfully collected their COV. And in tandem with the district administration, the Urban Affairs Department completed the relocation of all these eligible vendors in the first floor of the Muda parking lot at Kandailat. Now, to facilitate the relocation, 365 vending stalls were constructed. 365, out of which, as of date, 282 have been allotted, and these have now occupied the various stalls through a transparent draw of lots. The draw of lots was confined to only the certified vendors, and the draw of lots was meant to give them so that nobody could say that anybody was favored with a space which is at the front or on the back, but everyone was given the right, with the equal opportunity of being able to be allotted a space through this draw of lots. We are thankful as a government that the legitimate body of hawkers, the Roadside Hawkers Association, have come forward to support this noble venture of the state government, which took care of two things. One is to ensure that Shillong continues to be safe for all road users, minimize congestion, minimize the possibility of crimes, and two, also to sustain the livelihood of these hundreds of these uh, vendors who have now been given a space which I'm sure you all have gone to the site and you know the condition of the space allotted to them. That apart, the state government has also provided a relocation allowance to all vendors holding these COVs, whereby each vendor uh, will get a one-time payment of rupees 10,000 rupees and a monthly allowance of 2,000 rupees per month for the next 5 months in order to mitigate any possibility of a slump in business owing to this change of site. So that buffer period of 5 months will also help them to, while rebuilding their contact with their customers, so that they'll not be suffering economic losses. So the success of the Kandailat mission has now motivated and given the state government uh, more reason to replicate this experience elsewhere. 165 were the vending stalls. Okay, 365 stalls, as against which uh, 407 were deemed eligible to receive. But those who came forward to receive the COV, those who actually opted to participate in the process of allotment of stalls was 282.
And what about others than other hawkers? Means they are not given, right? Who have not collected the. Who has not.
Those who have, there is no confusion. The number of hawkers deemed eligible is 407. Those who came forward to participate were 311, out of which uh, 282 have been allotted because they participated in the actual lottery determining the space, the stall number they would occupy. We have not received any such report of COVs being snatched away. But if you look at the figures, we still have a few stalls left, and we will ensure that everyone gets equal treatment and in sync with the principle that the rule of law should prevail.
What problems are the amenities in the Madan complex? No water, toilet, and go down. So these are
No. As we have said, all facilities will be provided. Now, the most immediate need for these hawkers is to give them a chance to continue hawking at a space which government would provide for them, which is far better than the current place they were occupying till yesterday, which is prone to various risks, including not just the hawkers but other users of that stretch of the road. It's yes. I had briefed you earlier to this briefing that this would lead to the pedestrianization of the entire stretch. I had indicated the start at the end points as well. So that stands.
So when the vehicles will be stopped from moving that?
This will happen once we, the next part of the exercise is to collect details of who are the residents within that stretch who actually have their dwelling units, houses in that area. They will be then considered, we will make a list of all eligible road users. They will be given passes based on uh, our verification process, and then after which we will also fix times, of entry and exit from that area, so that it's not done throughout the day. Town vending committee and the SMV are on the job. In fact, they have been instructed to take a review on a daily basis, which they are doing and will continue to do till the entire this period of 5 months which we have given. We expect that at the end of 5 months everything will become stable.
Papal, when this
Speak, those works which you mentioned are also already ongoing.
Papal,
5 months is the period where we I announced that state government is giving them a monthly allowance of 2,000 per month for the next 5 months, which means that at the end of the 5 months period, we would like to see that there is complete stability of livelihood of the affected person, that they have been engaged in vending activities in that area for at least 6 months before the survey. I'm sure that we should be able to ensure that all stalls are occupied within a span of a week or 10 days. This is yet to be considered because, as I said, we will face our activities in a manner that we take up which is the priority area first. So, in our scheme of things, the first priority is relocation, which we have done successfully. And this is also with the active support and cooperation of all these hawkers. Initially, there was resistance. There was complete resistance even to the idea of shifting. Yesterday, you could see that there was a queue of hawkers trying to get a space in the stalls. So it's a major shift, no, from opposing to actually vying that no, I should get first. Yes, we will prioritize according to the economic importance of that area. Parameters like the number of hawkers occupying the footpaths, roadside, and whether the area is densely populated, whether it's commercial, semi-commercial area. All of those parameters will be taken into account. See, everything has to be done in a phased manner. Now, uh, the major hurdle ahead of the government was the relocation of this many number of hawkers, which was a tough task for the government, given a lot of pressure and also resistance, the initial resistance, and also we do not want that this should lead to any breach of law and order. So I'm happy that in this particular exercise, there was no major breach of law and order. Everything went very smoothly.
Wat penleno yaganika kabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar Haduh nriu po hajar tingka menta pila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng pinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata kawe ki sopti kade kawe ki design tang naka benta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai sao lai nriu san pra hinyo lai pra